Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the phone vibrates, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up. Then in the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option recovery mode. Here select an option clear data and then clear cache. And OK. And after a few seconds cache will be cleared, then you should select return, restart, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.